That's money. That looks to me like a wheel bearing problem. I should make a segment of how not to go crazy in a small garage, but some parts came in faster than I actually expected, which is a pleasant surprise. I put together the Camaro thinking that these parts weren't going to come in for a while, and here they are. I bought the cheapest eBay wheel bearings for the F-body I possibly could at like $64 and change for two. Let's see what you get. Motor by Motor, wheel bearing and hub assembly. Oh, it's got name brand on it, I guess. Ooh, they even show you a picture. Distributed by AFA Motor Inc., Thornton, Ontario, Canada. Interesting. This literally came like in 2 days. It's almost like getting something from Amazon, but through eBay. Let's see what we got. Come on. Why am I having a hard time with this? There we go. Wrap nice. Let's see what kind of Chinesium stuff this is. Boom. Wow. I reassembled the car after I did the upper control arms. So now I gotta take everything apart because I didn't think these parts were gonna be back. So let's get into it. That's not what I wanted to do. Well, I'll take it apart later. Now I'm gonna get yelled at because I'm spraying liquid wrench. Problem with that is my garage is attached to the house. So if anybody buying a house, get a detached garage. Any of the vapors and smells don't get into the house. Complaints all the time. Alright, moment of truth. Will it come out? Because I have no impact guns here. Oh, wait a minute. Huh. Look at that. Nice, sweet. I got no air tools, no nothing. No heat. And we're gonna take a chance. Because if I stop banging on this thing, if I can't get it out, I am screwed. So, let's see what happens. I'm just gonna go with the biggest hammer I got. I think we're in business. Just trust me, this does not happen often. Woo! That's money. Yes, so I just don't forget to plug my mic in. This is what I believe to be a factory bearing, and this is what I believe to be a Chinesium bearing. Figured we'd do the comparison real quick while we have it. And obviously, you know, it's got some miles on it, so it's going to be loose. This one's a lot tighter. You can't move it around. This one, look at that. See, you get to hold it to get the bearing. This one is very loose. To be honest with you, let me see something. This actually looks like the bearing itself is bigger. The actual housing. Am I crazy or what? Yeah, it does. No, I mean, it fits into the same spot, but they actually used a bigger bearing. Who knows? Maybe that's just a casting because... But everything looks to be in place here. Yeah. Okay, let's go put it in. Let's go find the torque specs. Alright, from what I'm gathering, it's somewhere around 63 foot-pounds, so. Click.